Hi, it's Mine Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
Mine Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful day. Is $2.4 trillion market cap possible? Is Quant the Microsoft of the new era? That's what we're going to talk about today. But first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. We are ranked 36. We are currently at that $102 mark with a market cap of 1.23 billion with a 24-hour volume of 20 million. We are down 0.2% in the hour, down 2.1% in the day, up 2.5% in the week, and down 4.8% in the month. It's looking rather red. It is what it is. Again, we hold steady. And I see this tweet from my mate Bull Shark Trading, and he's talking about quant top-down analysis for 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, and the quant BTC pair. So 1 week time frame, we can see from the weekly chart that volatility is lowering, and we are starting to see a squeeze. This is shown in the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands and sideways price action. Be mindful of the FVG below 63.4 to $74.5. This is not saying the price will drop to here, but as always, there's a possibility in the future. So 1 day time frame after dropping to $90 and what was, in my opinion, a shakeout liquidity grab, we see buying pressure step in and push price back to the accumulation zone, which is between $96 and $118, making a new high and giving us new daily trading range of $90 to $106. We're expecting price to trade within the accumulation zone with the wicks either side. And if we look at the 4 hours, price made a nice move upwards from the low and created a new high, currently forming a higher low but not yet confirmed, and pulled back to that 21 and 55 EMAs for continuation. We need to see this higher low confirm and price breaking the high and claiming it to support the 106 mark. So the quant BTC pair, and we've been talking about this a lot on this channel, price formed a triple bottom and pumped out from the third touch, pushing price higher and breaking the old high. Currently forming a higher high, but this has not been confirmed yet. We could see either a drop back into the range or price point the lower high and the high on the left. So all looking great. Great bit of analysis there from Bull Shark, and we will hopefully see a bit more of him as the days go by. But let's get back to what I was talking about. Is 2.4 trillion market cap possible? Now, before you throw your shoe at the screen or smash your phone up, bear with me. I like ideas and I like speculation because this is all about innovation and creativity at the forefront of technology. So let's look at this one from Clocky. I look at the recent pumps of quant, just a blip. I just DCA whenever possible, no matter if it's at $100, $102, $105, all the way up to $120. At these prices, it reminds me of seeing people just starting to invest in Microsoft, and people were skeptical about the internet and think it's just a fad. Overledger connects all systems, both the current ones and the old ones that are being built right in front of our very eyes. You can even build on Overledger. You can pay in fiat or through quant tokens. Fiat will be converted by Quant Team to purchase the quant token to then buy access of the technology and build application. Now, I thought this was very interesting, especially the part about Microsoft. Now, you got to think from where we've been, people in the internet, from dial up to fiber optics, things have moved fairly quickly, which brings me to this thought of speculation, because this is what it's all about, isn't it? We are all thinking about where something can go in the long term. I'm not talking short term. I'm talking as the technology, fintech evolves and we start moving over, where would we be? Now, I found this old article on CNBC. If you had invested $1,000 in Microsoft at its IPO, here's how much money you would have made now. Now, I find this quite interesting when we look at this in correlation to how fintech is growing, where we are now in the current status of thing. And this is why I say, is quant the Microsoft of the new era when it comes to technology? Now, $1,000 investment in Microsoft on the day of its initial public offering or IPO on March 13th, 1986 would be worth more than $1.6 million in today's money. Now, that is huge. And that made me think, well, not necessarily the IPO of Quant, but We're at the start of something, a new age when it comes to financial instruments, financial assets, innovation, technology, everything else. So I thought to myself, well, let's go over to the market cap of. And as you can see, we've got currently Microsoft at around about 2.4 trillion market cap, and we've got Quant at 1.4 billion there. And if we have a look, we've got a current state of play. Quant would be worth about $164,000. That's a 1619x. Now, if we look at Microsoft's all-time high, we'd be talking $184,000, which is an 1811x. Now, that is huge. Yes, I know it's speculation, but when you invest, you are looking for an investment into a project that you feel is going to go to the moon, but we're not talking overnight, and we're not talking moon boys. We're not talking money that can be made in an instant. This is an investment like any other investment. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to, pucker up your lips a little bit, get you thinking, because with any investment, we are looking long term. We're not looking short term. So that's just a little thought there for you. And remember, if you've already thrown your shoe at the screen, I'd go and pick it up now and you can go on your way. And if you smash your phone, well, I guess you're going to have to buy a new one. Anyhow, so all the best, and I will catch you later.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.